Good morning.
Good morning，早晨。
早晨。
荷里活萬人迷奇洛李維斯咧，尋日旋風集講，為佢嘅新片《魔界行者》咧宣傳造勢。佢同導演咧今日就喺近300位中外記者嘅包圍之下咧，舉行亞洲首個記招。雖然呢位型男咧首次嚟香港就呢度啊，但係就冇機會出去行下街噃。
But I haven't really. I arrived for the day, and I really haven't had a chance to. But looking out the window, it looks pretty extraordinary out there. Yeah.
Only through your window.
I've only seen. I went to dinner, and then I've just been staring out the window, going, "That looks really beautiful out there." But I'm here, so maybe later I can go.
而呢套新片裏面呢，奇洛李維斯咧飾演一位能夠穿梭陰陽界嘅伏魔英雄。為咗投入角色，奇洛李維斯咧就梗係要做足準備功夫啦。
Whatever that world may be. And then I got to sit with I met an exorcist for a bit. But I just want to know like really practical things, like how do you hold someone who's possessed by the devil?
除咗為拍戲做足準備，奇洛李維斯仲為自己設計埋一個型到痹嘅造型添。
Also the costumes, when we had all the suits there, it was just kind of going through them, just trying different suits on it. That jacket. I remember I put it on and I was just like, yeah, this is it.
佢咁風騷，係因為佢前幾日咧成為荷里活星光大道其中一位經典之星啊嘛。
So, but yeah, it was a really great day. It was great to be surrounded by friends and family, people I've worked with over the years. So it was a great honor.
Mr. Reeve, it's my pleasure.
奇洛李維斯咧今次咁難得嚟到香港，我大搜查咧就好特別揾嚟薛凱琪，佢做咗個專訪，個專訪啊，聽晚就可以睇到噶啦。